Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I have a video how to send money international your friends and family. I'm going to show you two methods. Either one work very well, then you can send money international. Show you step by step, then you can follow this step, send the money international. The first method, I type in Google MoneyGram, I click that and you can see that link send online money transfer service, find MoneyGram, click that. To page like that, MoneyGram send money for cash pickup to mobile wallet, bank account or Visa debit card. You can sign up over here. Then I already have account. I can log in. Before you start sending money, you have to register or log in, enter information. Send money transfer online from the United States with the confident access, easy to use online MoneyGram. Okay, first register your login, enter your information. Second, select receive or send money to someone. Number three, choose how to pay and send. You can either pay with your credit debit card directly from your bank account. Okay, I'm going to show you step by step, then you can follow the step to send money international. If you don't have account, you can sign up over here, then click that. Go to email, password, you can create password, confirm password and phone number. Then you have to just send the text message about post and promotion. You can click that if you want. Next, when you continue, they need a little bit more about information about you. Legal first name, the middle name, last name, second last name if you have, date of birth, and a home address, street, city, state, zip code. Continue. Okay, after you give all information, you can start send money. I'm going to send $50. Receiver country, I put Sri Lanka. See that pop up say when you send money. This new year with 100% off online fees, just use code United100. Okay, if you first time sending money, create account, you can use this code. So when you pop up, might be used different. So might pop up that United100. Then you can use the code for 100% off online fees. Alright, I'm going to find I want to send Sri Lanka. Okay, click Sri Lanka. I'm going to click estimate fees. Okay, receiver name, enter your receiver name so exactly as it appears on the government issue ID. So you have to use exactly that name. If you have any question about sending money from MoneyGram, you can chat, live chat right here. You can contact someone to if you have any questions. So I'm going to continue. Okay, I put $50 is convert to Sri Lanka rupees 18,134.87 cents. Okay, going to money available by 0 to 2 business days, and select payment option. You can use a credit card, debit card. Select receiver method, direct to bank account, debit card deposit, and cash pickup. Okay, you can see that charges credit card. If you put credit card, $4.74 US dollar transfer fee. Debit card, $1.99 US dollar transfer fee. Cash at location, going to find out cash location. You can use this option to send your transaction. You provide the MoneyGram location, then pay with the cash at the location. No paperwork required. Paying transaction this way typically takes a minute to process once you have paid. Okay, typically take a minute to process when you paid. Online bank transfer, learn more. Online bank transfer payment allow you to pay your transfer with your bank login information. You can use express within 1 minute. Standard 3 to 4 business days. Choose your bank from list. Can find out your bank list. Click that. Okay, I'm going to using my debit card. $1.99 US dollar transfer fee. Then select a receiver bank direct to bank account. So I'm going to send my sister to bank account. Okay, receiver has a debit card. You can deposit debit card or cash pickup. I'm going to select direct to bank account. and continue. Get it started. You how to send money internationally using PayPal Xoom. You can log in your PayPal account, or if you don't have a PayPal account, you can sign up right here, my PayPal, then you go into account. Okay, right now I'm in my PayPal account. I'm going to show you guys how to send internationally. You can see that direct to bank transfer money. First you have to click on that link, direct to bank, then going to page like that, Xoom PayPal service, send money directly to friends and family who don't use PayPal. Then you can send money over 130 destination. Recipient doesn't need a PayPal account. Recipient doesn't pay fees. You can read and agree and continue. Next page going to like that. In this case I want to send money to Sri Lanka, then you can search, or you can type in. I'm going to type in Sri Lanka. It's come out, then I'm going to click the country. Now you have to put how much you want to send internationally, so I'm going to put 50 US dollars. It's converted into Sri Lankan rupees, 18,416.25 cents. We are waiving our fee and using promo rate for a transfer of 1,000 US dollars. You can click and search. You can read and you can figure out the waiving $10 transfer between $10 and 1,000 US dollar, and we will waive the Xoom transaction fee. Alright, everything looks good. Then I'm going to click next. Okay, now you have to choose a receiving option, debit card of deposit, and mobile wallet, bank deposit, cash pickup. Then I'm going to put bank deposit and click next. Okay, you have to find out which bank you want to deposit. In this case I'm going to send People's Bank. I'll find out People's, yep, so People's Bank. Then I want to send $50 to People's Bank. Okay, People's Bank, enter the account information you are sent into. By continuing below, you are confirming to Xoom that the recipient account. You have to put routing number, account number right here. Then you have to click next. Make sure that bank account information is correct and this person you know and trust. Before you send the money, you have to put everything correctly, routing number, account number, no mistake. Then click next. That's the way how to send money for internationally someone, your friends and family. Okay, this short video you can figure out how to send money to international. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.